Okay, yeah, we do live Zoom meetings. Okay, one, two, three times a week. Okay, right now there is a nice little Zoom every Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to just show you my screen, my email, and then below this video, I'm gonna just have a link where every week, if you'd like, just click it, pre-register, just put your name, email address, and then you can watch the Zoom. Okay, hosted by Charlie. All right, he is our founder. All right. Charles, that's his real name. Okay. And it's Moy. All right. I was saying Mao. It is actually Moy. I need to think of M-O-Y, not M-U-I. It's M-O-Y. That's how you pronounce it. So anyway, let me just shrink up my screen here, guys. All right. All right. All right. Okay. If you look at the right of your screen here, this is the email that you're going to receive every week. Okay. Now, here it is, Wednesdays. Okay, today is May 7th. Okay, so it's always 6 p.m. Pacific. Okay, all right, or 9 o'clock Eastern. I'm in Utah, so that means 7 o'clock tonight in a couple hours. All right, that's when it goes live. Okay, now I record these. So if you go to my YouTube channel, if you just look up probably the dates, what I'll probably do is just put Save Club Live Zoom, and then I'll put like Wednesday, May 7th. Okay, and then next Wednesday, if that's May 14th, 21st, that way you can just watch these over and over, or send the link to maybe your downline, or just feature it on one of your social media posts. It's good to watch these. At least watch a couple, even though you might be signed up already. Okay, it's good to watch them. Just see what's going on with the company. Sometimes they'll tell you, what just the future is. Okay, what's going on? What area of the world? Or is there certain, businesses that have climbed aboard? Okay, today I saw Burger King. If I can save $1 or $2 on one of those little Whoppers, I know they're bad for you. They got like 14,000 calories and 7,000 grams of fat, I'm sure. But you know what? If I can save on a Whopper, I might accidentally have one of those. Okay, so what you're looking to do, you want to maximize your savings with cashback and discounts. Yeah, that's the best part about Save Club. Start a flexible home business. All right, I'm doing it. I'm living proof. All right, I just turned this room that you can see into a mini fridged Hot Wheel Kiss Lego environment. And with a computer and a webcam, boy, I'll tell you, talk about flexible home business. I can get up when I want, go to bed when I want. It's a lot of fun, guys. I really have a lot of fun doing this. Okay, now. Learn how our hybrid model, affiliate, MLM, works. Okay, multi-level pay, but please don't think of MLM like you have to buy something every single month in order to earn commissions. With this opportunity, guys, when you just sign up, you just got to be a member. That's it. $19.97 a month. Enjoy the savings. And if you want to be an affiliate, do $60. Just one time, 3 $20 bills, and you're it. Okay? This is a great affiliate opportunity. This is e-commerce, but I wish they'd get rid of MLM. I hate that. When people see it, they think of Avon, Amway, Tupperware, Nu Skin, Herbalife. Anyway, see this link right here? I'm going to put this right below the video. Okay. It's way too big. See when I highlight it? It's US06 Web Zoom, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to put that link on my screen right now, but what I'm going to do is just copy and paste. So if you are watching this video anywhere, I'm going to put the link where you can register. But just remember, okay, every Wednesday, 6 p.m. Pacific. So if you're watching this in 2 or 3 weeks in my future, it could be May 14th, 21st, could be in June, July, August of 2029 for all I know, okay? So anyway, and then these links, I'm going to copy and paste all of this as well, okay? Because it's good to see what our TikTok channel's doing, or account, X, Twitter, okay, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, okay? The more that you click and just check out what we got going on, you can see videos that are already made, pictures, banners, all right? Because you're going to run out of ideas. No matter what, at the end of the day, you're just going to go, God, I don't know how to do Photoshop or Canva. I don't have the faintest idea what to do. Is there any social media groups to join? Yeah, there's 1 or 2 really good ones regarding Save Club. And I want you to go ahead and join all of them. And if you see a picture or a post or a video from somebody that you like, okay, just watch it. and make sure if there's a neutral one that just says, hey guys, Save Club, check it out, here's the link below, okay, then put your link below. Okay, with my channel, I promote my link, okay, but I love to train and teach and just show people what I do just to get signups. I just want people to view, pre-enroll, and sign up. Keep it simple, all right? So I promote my link, just how I want you to promote your link, all right? So anyway, I'll just make this a little quick video. I'm going to go ahead and just feature all this little typing, boom, boom, boom. I'm just going to put it right below this video and just click, okay? And you guys will figure it out. So I'll be there live during the Zoom. So if you're in the Zoom, and if there's a chat room available, I'll say hi to you. If not, I always record these Zooms. All right, the company records the Zooms, and we'll make sure that you can at least watch the replay of them. And they're good to watch every single week because they are a little bit different about opportunities, what's going on behind the scenes, okay, because it's our founder who hosts it. Okay, so Charles Moy. All right. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead, upload this video, and we hopefully will see you tonight, or at least just watch the replays, okay? Guys, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? My YouTube channel. And of course, if you're not even signed up in this great opportunity, go right here to sign up or get more information. I love saveclub.com. Okay, I love saveclub.com, and that's it. Okay, my work is done. All right, guys, we'll see you tonight during the live Zoom. Take care.